Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the Case Theory. If you're new to this channel, the Case Theory reviews the latest and greatest iPhone cases and accessories out there so that you don't have to look no further. Whether you need a leather case, a clear case, a silicone case, we've got it all covered. We also welcome suggestions from all of you as to which iPhone case you want us to review next. So to all case fanatics out there, do subscribe to our channel where we'll be posting videos on the 7th, 17th and 27th of each month. For today's video, we will be reviewing a few cases from this company known as MNML case. Before that, we'd like to give a huge shout out to them for sending us these review units. Alright, let's get going. When we first found out about the MNML case, we were quite astounded because of the fact that this particular brand was actually born because of the company's dislike for the traditional look of the smartphone cases. So what they did was to create something insanely thin and minimal that it almost looked non-existent on your phone. Except there is a case which provides the basic features only minimalists would understand. Being confident about the quality of their cases, this young case brand also promises a hassle-free 100% money-back guarantee should you face any issues with your cases. The cases came in two different types of packaging. The first type is made of black cardboard with grainy-like consistency that provides a pull-out mechanism. There is a non-obtrusive branding that is purposely blended with the background. There is only a small white sticker at the back to tell the model and color of the case. On the other hand, the white packaging is made of glossy hardcover material that is also plain with the brand's name at the top right corner on the front as well as the back. Based on the stickers, the colors that we have today would be the frosted white, matte black, as well as the clear transparent type. On the website, you can also find the frosted black version. So let's unbox the package now. Pulling down the inner side of the cover will reveal a black Ziploc plastic which contains the case. Beneath this, we have a pretty big card which says, "Congratulations, you have kept it simple." And then there are 12 small boxes with fun games and words on it. On the opposite side of the card, there are words and phrases of what the company believes to be the purpose of the case, with the bottom half showing instructions for installation and removal processes. Wow, I am actually impressed with that much of details in a singular card. It is also pretty thoughtful for them to include a small cloth to wipe off fingerprints and also include the brand sticker in the box. This is what I would call a complete unboxing experience. At just 0.35 mm, this MNML case is as thin as a playing card and doesn't even feel like a case. Although the case that I'm holding on to right now is the frosted one, my fingers can be seen quite visibly through it because of its extremely thin material. It is made of polypropylene, a flexible, hard plastic that is very lightweight and has a smooth texture all around. There is also zero branding on the case, so it is perfect for those who are willing to sacrifice protection for style. Remember the card which provides the instruction for installation of the case? Turns out you don't really need it. Installing the case is extremely simple because they have very precise cutouts. Just slot in the phone whichever way you want to and push the other sides in. Okay, I am blown away. This is ridiculous because my phone feels and weighs just the way it is supposed to. Besides that matte smooth texture, it honestly feels bare. Well, except for the fact that with the case on now, there is at least some protection for it. As you can see here, the bottom of the case is well protected. The cutout for the speaker grills and lightning port is also spot on. The case uses mainly cutout designs for the buttons which are easy to reach as well. The case also does a great job at covering all four sides of the phone. Moving on to the back, there is a unique bump which covers the area surrounding the camera, nicely exposing just the lenses. It is also worth noting that this case is compatible with wireless charging. Now it's time for the table typing test. As you can see here, the phone remains steady and almost does not shake at all. However, I cannot say the same for the slippery test. There is very minimal grip on the back and it is quite slippery even on a flat table. So be sure not to put your case on slanted surfaces. Before moving on to the scoring system, let's just quickly try on the matte black and the transparent cases and see how they look like on the iPhone. Oh, by the way, unlike the black packaging, unboxing the white one is like opening a hardcover book, which immediately reveals the case. There is no card for this one, but you can still find the instructions printed boldly on the left side. So you just have to use your thumb to gently push the case out from both corners, and then use your index finger and thumb to slide it out with the other hand holding on to the case. The matte black case has a similar texture to the frosted one, except that it converts the whole transparent look into one tone. This is ideal for a person who wants to keep it minimal and classy. The transparent case, on the other hand, feels just as accurate as having the bare phone, except that it seems to provide more grip for the fingers. In all honesty, I feel that despite being the most vulnerable one for the fingerprint magnet, the transparent case is the winner if you're really looking for a case that can mirror your beautiful smartphone. Let's now put the MNML cases through the TCT case score and find out how they fare. In terms of design, we feel that they deserve a 4/5, mainly due to the lightweight material and extremely thin frame that makes the phone stand out instead of the case. This design is simply perfect for minimalists out there who love to show off their phones with confidence. We also thought that the unique palm feature that exposes only the lenses looks pretty cool. In terms of protection, we'll give the MNML case a 2.5/5. The case does have basic protective features like providing scratch resistance and minimal grip. However, we feel that this is not the case if you're looking for a full protection for your phone in terms of shock absorption for drops, proper protection for the screen, as well as the buttons. Lastly, in terms of price, we'll give it a 3.5/5. The case retails for $27 USD. Although the case and the packaging does have a premium feel to it, we feel that the price might be a little steep for what it offers. Overall, the MNML case has a total score of 3.3/5. This case is undeniably the most suitable case for minimalists who appreciates the bare look for their phones. For those of you who put your phones in your pockets and find some cases to be bulky and adding unnecessary weight, this might be the one for you as well. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the Case Theory for more cases review. Share with us your thoughts on what you think makes a perfect thin case in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.